Fox 31 Denver presents the sights and sounds of Christmas.
Happy holidays. I'm Aristea Brady. Thanks so much for spending your Christmas day here with us. Today's show isn't about crime or politics. In fact, it's about taking a break from all of that. From modern music to classical carols, music is a wonderful way to celebrate the holiday spirit. So grab your kids, come by your TV, relax, and listen as we bring you choirs from all around the metro area.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
That beautiful singing was the Legend Cantors from Douglas County's Legend High School. Well, you better watch out. Did you know Santa Claus is coming to town? We'll show you one group who does, and that's the Dalmatians from Aurora Public Schools, Dalton Elementary.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
You might want to leave some cookies out for good old Santa Claus. Next up, my all-time favorite Christmas song. It is Carol of the Bells, the altos and sopranos of the 8th grade choir at Rocky Top Middle School do it justice.
Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing us cheer to young and old, meek and little. Ding dong, that is the song, big jamboree, all caroling. One seems to hear words of the cheer from everywhere, filling near. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, o'er hill and dale, telling and tell. Hey, all people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Ding, 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 dong, ding, 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 dong. On and they stand, on with that hand, hey, triple tone to every old. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing the cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is the song, reach of a ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of a cheer from everywhere, filling near. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, o'er hill and dale, telling and tell. Hey, all people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Ding, 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 dong, ding, 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 dong. On and they send, on with that hand, hey, triple tone to every home.
It's a tough song and they made it look easy. If you're anything like my family, maybe you don't always like the traditional Christmas music songs. The singers at Adams County Five-Star Schools Choir bring us Carol of the Snow.
Snow, snow, snowflakes blowing. Snow, snow, goblins rowing. Snow, snow, children going, sledding down. Let's watch them go. Look at the snow, see how it goes. Blankets of white, shiny summer. Let's run down, cloudy around, over the hillsides. Look at the snow, see how it goes. Blankets of white, shiny summer. Let's run down, cloudy around, over the hillsides. Look at the snow, see how it goes. Blankets of white, shiny summer. Look at the snow, see how it goes. Snowflakes blowing. Blankets of white, shiny summer. Goblins rowing. Snowflakes blowing. Children going, sledding down. Let's watch them go. Snow, see how it goes. Snowflakes blowing. Blankets of white, shiny summer. Goblins rowing. Snowflakes blowing. Children going, sledding down. Let's watch them go. Sledding through the fields of snow. Look at the snow.
Such beautiful voices those children have. Have you ever wanted to build a gingerbread house, but maybe you didn't know quite how to get it started? The children at Littleton Elementary's East Honors Choir are going to show us how to build a gingerbread house.
Let's build a gingerbread house, a gingerbread house, a gingerbread house. Let's build a gingerbread house, a gingery gingerbread house. Let's use lollipops, licorice, chocolate, and gumdrops that are yummy. Let's use cinnamon, peppermint, caramel, and frosting that is yummy. Let's build a gingerbread house, a gingerbread house, a gingerbread house. Let's build a gingerbread house, a gingery gingerbread house. Let's build a gingerbread house, a gingery gingerbread house. Oh, a gingery gingerbread house. Oh, a gingery gingerbread house. Let's knock it down and eat it. Yum!
Anybody hungry now? Well, we're now going to take a break. We'll be right back with the sights and sounds of Christmas.